On Kran, just conversation also now. It's like blah 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 blah. With the director.
Hello, hi
Juhi.
guys.
Hi.
Hope you enjoy the music video once it get released and
Yeah.
kindly support her.
It's 6:30 in the morning, and you guys can see it's so foggy outside. Guys, we're here at Amlarem, waiting for Pongka. They are outside here, and yeah, we are about to go to Amlarem to Sainam Resort for the shoot. We're waiting for her. It's already 9 now. Hey, Lapoy guys. We came from there. The other car is that one. Search your hidden hunter. Kabas haka. Akashanya. See the weather. It's perfect. So guys, we're here. Kami record na barang layot here. Here we are. Hi guys. Hi. Full preparation. Hi Kongka. Hello. So we are going inside. Kanya karet no. Isa. Show your blood. Hot. Sini? Okay. Hot. Tenat kan? Director coy.
Director Bang kamera.
Hey guys, your view. The pool jing tenat.
Mas man kata kena cari outfit one nang. Outfit one yang lagi ada 1.5 and my t-shirt let me 3.4 minutes on me. 1.4 minutes like outfit one then 1.9 minutes yang lagi outfit two nang. Mandap ke outfit one, mandap cuci ke outfit one dah am foto ke outfit one lah. Mandap ke outfit two lah dah am foto yang outfit two nang. Dan highlight atau apa? Man release gini sur yang buat cover foto gini sur dari depi. Dari group foto yang pi. Jadi outfit one, outfit two dah ini di in such a way where you show ha. Dan di mah. Don't take much time. You let make up here let make up. Seperti nak keluar ni marba.
Kere. Just preparing. Guys, nggak ada di ada sih nggak mau ya macam wow squid. Okay, this is a riddle bed. Bed outfit jangan. Found this blue thing, this jeans. Yeah, yeah, without this coat, that's a low shibit. Cool, right? Hi. Just going. Penny outfit trong fit. Cool. Oh yeah. Đánh ra fit is na đánh shibit. Wala ko swim. Ganti na nanin. Oh, so cool. Mirror always makes me happy. You can see the bedroom. Let no shaka light, ma. See that light there? Let no shaka. Let's go. Hi.
You want fast done?
Show natin. Hi. Semua kedua rata guys. Ini nggak lapar dulu ya. Kita prepare. They are preparing here. Wow. Here. Ooh, what is this? Sabji here. Puri. Let's get started.
Remember someone to smile, ma? You need a smiling face, ma. Rolling. Action. Okay. Even talk, you can have fun. Ready? Rolling and action.
Merah. Nó nga ba bit hiện nè. Li. Jump. Oh, I need to share reels mentala basta. Guys, so cool. Oi. Biang bet. Ngidang siya dap shoot mentan mo. Par babam. Ida on keren am hantahi. It's that time when you know your mind doesn't work. Oh yes. Yeah, it's that time. On keren just conversation also na. It's like blah 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 blah. Shashwani. Oh, bit history te. Shapulans te. Tayo sedang nak shooting. Ini yang flash.
Pait ma, ai ready ma, ai.
Nai up sana ngan tempat mga. Ngapen ring blok ya fi. Ngapen ring blok. Pen tapken ngan tan shoya la jong du. Wow. Sim. Abiang, laun la pen ring video.
Done with the final shoot now, only for the Puma. For so tired, day.
Mana po dengan Jubin. So hello everyone. Hope you support her. She is a very outstanding dancer.
Thank you, sir. Hi, day. Hi. Oh, sorry. Mana ni ba? Oh, hi. Who's this? See. Who's this?
You know soon.
Hi.
Your point of view.
Ngan ai bị cùng niêm à? Long. Tah.
Guys, we're done with the shooting. We're gonna pack it again. Aduh, mana kaki je kan. Kita get change. Huh?
To promote the video teh.
Oh yeah, I'll record downstairs. Kaya ngimot dia leave not this time mah. My obsession with my rapid mahal apa kau no. Yang lah kriat ni. Dangan siang mas po ang lalit. Okay guys, ani ka akan ya. The water was so cool. I'm gonna yeah, you shoot me in the pool. My toes are paining. Seliha kami ke puncak atas ni. So yeah, ani okay palat. So guys, we're done with the shooting for the upcoming music video Dig Dig from the movie Nongmuna Part 2 ke Part 1 kalau ada me. Okay, you can watch it out. And this music video guys, it's gonna be the most unique, you know, the best palat. To be really honest, it's really good. Nila ada pretty clips here. And so yeah guys, the music video will be out by this month, January. Stay tuned, you know. And yeah, it's gonna be the most unique. It's really nice guys. I saw the clips, best bhav. It's the most unique video. And yeah, you can see these guys here with the director.
Hello,
So,
hi
Juhi.
guys.
Hi.
Hope you enjoy the music video once it get released, and
Yeah.
kindly support her.
Yeah.
She's an amazing dancer. And the rest of the crew also, they are amazing.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. It will be released. Keep that in mind. It will be released by this month, January. It's the name of the music video we have shot today. It's Dig Dig. Yeah. By the movie Nongmuna Part 2. So let's see. Having rice. So Julie is helping me with that. We have here what is it? Chili chicken. We have salads, dal. So yeah. Say hi to the dancers. Hi Konka. We're done. Hi there. What's up? She will show you. See you. Vidal is missing. Hi sir. Hello. The producer. Yes. Hi.
Ajar.
Kinong record vlog. Ma. Hi. Hi Midu.
Hello.
You see the small bucket? So cute. So that
It's very tasty.
So yeah, we're gonna be having our meals. Happy meal. Kaskuin pala ketiga jaka budai. Having here dal.
Oh, berapa no? So, benda is very cherishful thing, eh? Bukan ada? Prepare ang masuk ni.
It's a wrap. We're done with the shoot. Semua bang. Kampabri. Thank you. Hey, sir. Sana. Tinggal ya dap. Nilit na siya yung manta. We're done with the shoot. Shoot. Bye. Bye. Hey vlogger. Oi vlogger. Bye bye. Bye. Hi Firu. Bye bye. Bye. Mau dia mina. Ni ting tenat damit. We're back home. Till then guys, this was the end of the day. Yeah. We're gonna shoot. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.